What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. We're back at it with a brand new unboxing video. Brand new pickup. I've actually been waiting for this package for a while now, but with all this COVID stuff going on, this actually took like about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks to get here, but they finally got here, and we're gonna take a quick look at these because I've been waiting for this package to come in, and they finally came in. And yeah, we're gonna take a look at these shoes real quick. I have the box right here. Haven't even opened these yet. Yeah, we're just gonna open this box real quick. Bing bada boom. So when did these come out? These came out the 31st of July. I actually got these straight from Puma, so you probably already know what these are. They're Puma shoes. I haven't bought a Puma shoe in a while. I remember when I started getting into sneakers, I would always wear the Puma Clydes, the low top versions. They were a great shoe, and yeah, you can find them for like on sale. So if you're like looking for a shoe to start off, Puma Clydes, they're low tops, they're nice, they're pretty much wear them with anything, and they're just clean. We're gonna take a look at these bad boys. Got these in my size. I was actually up. These released at 12 o'clock sharp on the Puma website, and I was obviously awake and got my notification, went in there, checked out. It was pretty much easy, and these actually sold out, but I managed to grab a pair. And yeah, here's the box. If you guys were wondering, black Puma box, nothing special. Now I do know that these did have a special box, but I believe Puma only sent out the special box to people to promote the shoe or whatever. But this just came with a regular Puma box, which is alright. I wish this came with a special box, but it is what it is. White tissue paper, nothing crazy, just standard white tissue paper. Take a look at this shoe right here. I'm gonna unwrap it. Boom. The shoe we have right here is the Puma RS Dreamer. This is the J. Cole Puma collab. You guys probably already seen pictures of this shoe right here. A lot of basketball players, some basketball players were actually wearing this shoe. Yeah, me personally, I think this is a dope shoe. J. Cole is one of my favorite artists. If you guys can see right up there, that's actually a J. Cole signed vinyl up there that is hanging. I have that in like every video. Had to add these bad boys to the collection. Now these are a basketball shoe. Obviously I don't hoop, but I will be rocking these bad boys. This is like, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what this model is called. All I know is the RS Dreamer. Yeah, I'm not really into Pumas like that anymore like I was. But yeah, black colorway. Well, it fits a color. We have orange, we have like this highlighted yellow type color, we have purple, we have like this mint green going on, we have a hit of blue, and then your bottom is just standard white with an orange hit right here. And as you guys can see, that traction on the bottom, obviously for basketball, but I don't hoop, so just gonna be rocking these casually. On the tongue, it actually has the Puma logo right there, and it says RS. What does it say? RSD for RS Dreamer. Right there. You have black laces going on, and this shoe actually is like mesh, but you also have hits of suede on the shoe. For example, like on the inside right here, you actually have some suede going on. And one good detail I liked about this shoe is that on the back it actually has this cloud with the Dreamer right there, which is very, very dope. And your insoles actually, if I can take it out. Alright, this is very hard. Hold up, give me 1 sec. I think it's like stuck in there. Can I even get it out? Oh, it has glue on it. I can't get it out because it's stuck in there with glue. But on your insole it says Puma basketball, and then it has that cloud logo with the Dreamer. I don't even know if you guys can see that. You can kind of see it right there, Puma basketball, and then Dreamer right there on the insole. Very nice detail. You know, when you have flash on your phone, it actually has hits of 3M. Hits of 3M right there. Right there. Right here. And I believe this pull tab back here is 3M. I'm not sure about the Dream logo or Dreamer logo. I don't know if that's 3M, but this pull tab and these things on the side, they're 3M. So if you have flash on, you're gonna be able to see it. But yeah, man, definitely dope shoe. These actually did sell out. So if you guys want to pick them up, I would say go to StockX or Go, even though it's gonna take a while for them. You know, with all this COVID stuff going on, deliveries are getting delayed and stuff. Like I said, these took about like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks to get here, and these released on July 31st, and it's currently August 13th. So yeah, it is what it is. I believe there's no resale on these. I could be wrong, I'm not sure. Retail was $125. I haven't checked the app since to see how much these go for. But yeah, man, that is pretty much it. You know, a little quick unboxing, a quick review of the J. Cole Puma collab. Definitely a dope shoe, something different in my collection. There was pictures going around that J. Cole is actually going to have more colorways of this silhouette. But yeah, this is the very first colorway of the J. Cole Puma collab. And yeah, very dope shoe. Definitely can't wait to rock these. And I personally haven't even tried out this sneaker, so hopefully it's nice and comfortable. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future. And yeah, more videos coming soon, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.